Hello everyone and welcome. Good evening to you all. So I welcome you guys to this quick tutorial. Hopefully I should be able to run this up in less than 10 minutes. So I want to just introduce you guys to this airdrop. So this is an airdrop that I'm currently farming. I've been farming this airdrop for the past 8 days just to test things out and know if it is something that I should recommend to my community. And yeah, it's something that you guys can obviously farm, and I believe that we could get a huge reward off of this, but no guarantees. So what is this platform all about? So well, this more of like this is a deeping kind of a project where you do certain kind of tasks and then you are rewarded with their point, and after the point reward, so you which can be converted into their main token on their launch day. So one of the things that I love about this particular project is the amount of supporters and partnership that they have been able to get in the past few months. So you can see Bitscape Capital here is supporting them. Polygon is with them. Big Brain Holdings, Electric Capital. If you know about Big Brain, is a very big name. And we have Dragonfly Capital. All right, all of these uh, platforms here that are partnering with them, they are very, very huge in the crypto space. So, guys, I believe that this airdrop could give you quite a decent amount of allocation and reward when they finally list. I believe that this platform could be able to list on Binance. I'm not saying they will, but they have, with this amount of backers or supporters that they have, all right, so it should be a no-brainer for them to get a listing on Binance. So let's head straight to the next phase. All right, so how do you start this mining? So for you to start the mining, you need a link. So I'll be providing you guys with a link. Now all you just need to do is very simple. All right, so it's very simple. You just have to do one work for 24 hours. So what you do here, you can see from here it said activate miner every 24 hours. Okay, so all you need to do, once you click on activate, all right, once you click on activate, you will be rewarded 24,000 points once you click on the activate, which you're going to see me activate this. So I put in activate this so I can make this video so you guys will see how it works. So this is the first one. So you activate your miner every 24 hours. You can mine this using your Messi browser on your phone. So you must not have a laptop to do this. So if you scroll down here, of course, you can get referral benefits. Once you guys sign up, I should be able to get at least 200, 500 points given to me. Now, once you have done that, so there is a one-time offer that is here. So these are more of like social media interactions. So you get 500 points by each interactions. Please always ensure that you tick this verify you are a human here and verify that. Then these ones are daily. These are also Twitter interactions that you do daily and you receive uh 60 points for this. So it's just is one of the most simplest and basic airdrop, but has a great potential to yield huge reward. So if you guys find this interesting, please give me a follow, comment on the YouTube comment section, and yeah, I'll see you guys on another one. But before I sign out here, let me just activate mine so you can see the way it works. So I'll click on activate. um, it should pop up my, all right, so I think it's okay, it popped it up. So I'll just click on sign. I'll sign the transactions for it to, so I'll sign it, and you can see, watch, once it activates, you will see this will increase. You can see, so the miner is activated, so it's increased. The 24,000 points have already been added. So each hour that is running, you are getting 1,000 points. So you will see this will count down to zero, and once it gets to zero, it will increase to 9 days. Then I can come back here and restart this node. That is all you have to do. That is all you have to do. Even if you do not or that refer anybody here, just being consistent on this platform, you are going to accumulate quite a lot of points for yourself. If you do this for a complete 1 month, you should be getting close to 800,000 points. Okay, so and that's no one know at what rate you're going to uh, convert their points. All right, so just 5 minutes to this. So no one know how they are going to convert their point, but we believe that it should be worth the time, considering that you're not doing much. All right, so I'm going to be doing more videos concerning airdrops. You can see I have my daily airdrop tags here that I have these ones. Okay, so I'm going to be making video one at a time and posting on the YouTube so that you guys can join me in farming it and also positioning ourselves. One thing I must tell you is this bull run we're about to enter is going to be an airdrop bull run. So many projects that are coming out right now, they are doing airdrop, and the reason they are doing it is to attract you and I. All right, so it's best for you to do this project, use them to raise more capital for yourself, and then invest in those coins that you feel that are going to do well. And then once the main bull run comes, you make that life changing reward. So guys, we are still farming our grass and other airdrop. Okay, so and yeah, that should be it for now. So I'll be making more videos on airdrops that are farming, and I will be referring you guys to it. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.